So a nice small winner to get us started, scratch trade at 9 o'clock, and then we had a nice big huge winner there just before the 9:30 alarm went off at 9:15. Okay, so nice big winner there, 44 ticks before we even got started this morning. And of course, with that done now, we're kind of coasting our way down now. We had our money in our account. We padded the account. Next up, we waited for 9:30 to pass. We had 10 o'clock news. Obama started speaking around 11 o'clock, but we had our trades taken before that time. 10:30 here now on the gold. Again, still on the gold futures. We're trending down at this point. We break below support. We mark up our swing low. We break below that swing low here at 1032 on the gold. 82 even was the fill. We've got our +4 target filled. Our +8 target actually had a 3-strike rule, so we didn't get the +8 target. We had to move it up to +6 to make sure that was filled, and then it tumbled to the downside, giving us +11. So 2 off at 4, 1 off at 6, 1 off 11, 25 ticks or 250 USD. And be aware that second target gave me the 3-strike rule. That's why I moved it up to 6 ticks. All right, guys, so that's, of course, $250, 25 ticks more at this point, right? We're rolling good now. Final trade of the morning here at 11 o'clock on gold. We know after 11 o'clock, we start waiting for that transition to lunch. We hadn't seen it show up yet. It came a little bit later on this morning, but things started slowing down here around 11:15, 11:20, just after we took this trade, right? Short-term trend up. Now notice here, the low of day at the bottom here. Low of day at the bottom. We originally looked for a 2-step here. The 2-step pattern, though, did not have a lot of buyers, right? There was no big money there. So we waited for the breaker. We waited to break above resistance. We made our swing high here. We break above that swing high. Nice little small wing trade here. +4 target filled. Move that stop up to entry +1. 2 off at 4, 2 off at 1. That's 10 ticks or 100 USD. So we finished it up, guys. 79 ticks, 790 USD here today. But guys, we didn't forget about the wave patterns. This doesn't mean we can't take the wave patterns today. There were a bunch of big winners in the wave. Now here was 2 on the wave, right? We can't forget about the wave patterns. While I was focused on the scalps just because the way the price action was working, we had a ton of members this morning. You guys know who you are. Congratulations on that. Who took a ton of these big wave setups. So of course, here's your first one here. This one here on the gold, we had a stutter step pattern there for the first one, so we didn't take the stutter step. The second one though worked out wonderfully. Picture perfect high percentage wave short just after 11 o'clock. So while I was watching the wave, while I was watching the breaker pattern long on gold, right? This one. While I was taking this breaker pattern long on gold, right, we had a handful of members that were taking this thing short once I was done with that for reversal using our wave indicator, right? A little bit slower time frame, wider targets, limit orders used in the trade. And then finally, guys, don't forget about crude. Crude also had a bunch of great waves here as well. Same time of day, obviously. We saw, of course, the first one here. Right here, just about 1050. Nice, picture perfect. We're below the swing low. Then, of course, we came down. Another one here, below that swing low again. We come back in, right inside that zone for the short trade there. So we got 2 back-to-back winners there on crude. One of them on gold was disqualified because of the stutter step. But guys, there were a ton of great wave entries here on gold, crude, euro today, across the board. All right, so you didn't have to just take the scalping method. You could have used any one of our methods, guys, to profit today. Let's prep for tomorrow, Wednesday, May 5th. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. Obviously, happy holidays to everybody celebrating Cinco de Mayo tomorrow. I definitely will be. We'll be here in the morning, obviously, but I'll be sure to get out of the office, have a little bit of fun tomorrow for Cinco de Mayo. 8:15 employment report tomorrow, 10 o'clock ISM non-manufacturing index, 10:30 crude oil inventories, and of course tomorrow we have a special 11:30 DX pattern members-only webinar. You want to be here tomorrow for that, guys. For all you members out there, we're talking more about the DX pattern and some brand new stuff. We're going to be sharing about that. As always, guys, our trade room opens up tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m., so come in and join us tomorrow, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Tuesdays and Thursdays we do webinars, so be here for those, 11:30. Beginner's course shows you guys all the setups, the entry rules, all the patterns. The beginner's course is perfect for anybody looking to get the most out of their free trial. And don't forget, the advanced course comes with free charts, free data, lifetime access to our trade room, never any monthly fees. It's going to pay for itself in just saving you money every month. Forget saving losing trades. Forget making money. It's going to save you money on charts and data. Again, sales@schooloftrade.com. They can give you guys more information about the advanced course membership. My name is Joseph James. Call me JJ. Call me Joe. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning live trade room. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.